Good evening. Thanks again for visiting my channel. I've just got a couple of new products I just thought I might show you. I've used them on a wild camp and I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Basically it's about comfort while you're camping. I'm getting on a bit in years now. I like to be comfortable, so chairs. I've had a few chairs and they're quite heavy, the majority of them. So I had a look at this one in WYNEX, in Go Outdoors, this WYNEX chair. And it's got the anti-sink mat with it, and it's made of aluminium. It weighs, let's have a look, 1.28 kilos, which isn't that bad really for a chair. It's pretty good. And it's made, designed and developed in the UK. It's funny how they put that on now, isn't it? But here we go anyway. Comes in a nice little bag. It's got a handle there and a handle there. It fits in my backpack easy enough. That's where I stored it. It's quite good. Let's get on with it. I'll show you what's inside. This is like a canvasy type stuff that's got a bit of a waterproof lining in it. Well, a water resistant lining. Inside, I've used it already, so it's probably not packed as when you buy it, but that's a weight spreader to stop your chair sinking into the ground. That's basically the bucket for the chair. And that's the aluminium frame. Now it's held tight, closed with these, they're just hair bobbles, basically. That's all I can describe them as. But it's like most folding chairs, how you put it together. But it is quite sturdy when it's up and running. Mind it. Hi, pal. It's made of aluminium, all of it. You know, the main joints. There's no plastic really. It's just well, that can even come apart. I didn't notice that when I used it, but there you go. It's an aluminium frame. Obviously the WYNEX brand goes to the top and on the backrest basically. The weight limit, 100 kilos. It's not too bad. Just slots into these little pockets, 4 of them. It's got rubber feet on it for the hard ground, but on soft ground, basically the same thing. These 4 pockets here. That's a weight spreader for when you're on soft ground. That's one product. Nice and light, feels good. It's a lot lighter than the other camping chair I've got, so I'm quite happy with it. Now the price was, I think, advertised at 80, and I think it ended up being 65 with the discount, if you remember. So basically that's the chair. And I've also got the table to go with it. Now, I think this is reasonably priced at £35. It's quite good. So I'll show you this. The size of this table is 60 centimetres by 12 by 7 when it's packed away, and it's 57 by 42 by 40 when it's open. I'll just get this lightweight aluminium frame again. Good fabric construction. It's got a couple of cup holders in a couple of pockets. This weighs just under a kilo, so I just think it's worth carrying, especially if you're in a hammock and you can just reach your table. Nice, it's just a stuff sack basically, labelled up WYNEX, X-Light table it's called. Oh, and by the way, the chair's called the Ultralight chair. Right. The table comes with this aluminium setup. I'll show you in a minute. It's got, that's the table itself. It's got 2 strengthening ribs in the middle and 2 on the outside, and it has a pocket here. Well, that's a Velcro strap for when you fold it up, you know, to wrap round it all to keep it all together as well. But it's got a couple of cup holders in it. The frame, just, if I can get it right way, just pulls out like that, and then this loose bar comes over. Inside here there's a little hole in here, and there's a peg inside there, drops into there basically. Same with this one. So that's what the frame looks like assembled. Mind, Nip. Mind. Mind. Good boy. And then you've got these 2 outer bars. They turn and clip into these recesses. So you've got they're a bit tight, well they have been to make the table taut. Oops, there you go. So that's the table assembled. Quite tight. I'm 15 stone. It's just dead comfortable. There you go. You can't come on, Nip. No room. Yeah. Behave. Stop. Hey, come on. Move. Good boy. Stop. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. one word from me and you do exactly as you like, don't you? Give over, Nip. Right, so that's the table and chairs. It's quite handy. Get your jet boil on and a few other things, and there you go. Also, from Go Outdoors, I picked up these pegs. They're only plastic, but for £3 for 10, £3 for 10, you can't go wrong. It's quite a strong plastic, and they're really lightweight. You know, it's worth considering. All from Go Outdoors. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you find it useful. Yep, there you go. Bit of lightweight. Well, you can actually stick this stuff in your backpack. I have. Fits in my Sabota backpack. Nice and bonny. Thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting my channel. Hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks very much. Nip likes it, don't you, mate? See you later. Bye bye. Morning, everybody. Another wild camp done. Yeah, we're colder than last night. We're deceiving. Nice and warm through day. Baltic last night. We got to freezing last night. Underestimated it. Bit of nice weather. It soon lulls you into a false sense of security, doesn't it? Beautiful morning. Not a cloud in the sky. Well, what I hope you've all been up to something this weekend. Instead of thinking about it, just get out and do it. It's no good just sitting at house thinking about it. Just get out and do it. Could hear all the deer barking this morning. Yeah. They ran through camp. No deer trails here, but they come straight through. That's what woke me up this morning. I've got some gear that I'm going to show you a close-up of as well. I've got that OEX table and this OEX lightweight chair. I think they're brilliant. And I've eventually splashed out one of them jet boil things. Don't like the price of them, but they do boil your water quick. Yeah, they go for that. And I were cold last night, underestimated it. Only brought a lightweight down quilt out. And my feet were freezing. Beginner mistake that. Should always overdo it, not underdo it. Yeah. First bit of spring and everyone thinks, well, I did. I thought, oh, it's alright now, it's going to be alright tonight. No, it was Baltic. Anyway, I'll finish my brew and then I'll start packing up. Probably be out again in a different location. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in a bit.